Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert. A rich and sweet pastry made from layers of filo dough filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with honey or syrup. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as baklava, baklava, bak, la, va, baklava. The origin of baklava is often attributed to the Ottoman Empire, which spanned several regions, including modern-day Turkey and Greece. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about baklava, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.